Hi guys, this is Sayed here, and today I'm gonna review about Apple's Vision Pro, and it's a revolutionary device which gonna um, change the face of the IT industry. And I'm gonna talk about the pros and cons. Yesterday, it was unveiled that Apple's gonna launch its new Pro Vision Pro device in um, late 2023 or in the beginning of 2024. So I'm going to talk about in this context. So the pros, what I understand, is it's advanced imaging capabilities, and Apple Vision Pro potentially offer cutting edge imaging capabilities, include resolution display, color accuracy, enhanced image processing algorithms. This would be a beneficial for professionals working in the field, such as photography, graphic design, or video editing. And the secondly, which I understand about this, is a performance will be more powerful. A more powerful performance will be anticipated, and Apple is known for its powerful hardware and optimized software integrations. So Vision Pro could potentially offer robust processing power and smooth performance. So that's the quality of Apple basically for now. That's why their credibility still persists within the market, allowing professionals to handle complex tasks efficiently. Um, Thirdly, as I understand, is a seamlessly integration with Apple ecosystem. Apple Pro Vision is part of Apple's ecosystem, and it could integrate seamlessly with other Apple devices, such as MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, or with the iOS devices, with Mac devices, and it has with other Apple products. So this will give a seamless integration into Apple hardware integration, which will develop better connectivity, and it will give you an access to all those tools which you need to access wherever you want to access. So this would enable the professional to easily transfer files, collaborate across devices, and take advantage of various product tools. Seamless integration with Apple ecosystem. Apple Pro Vision is part of Apple's ecosystem. It could integrate seamlessly with other Apple devices, softwares, and services. This will enable professionals to easily transfer files, collaborate across devices, and take advantage of various Apple tools. Fourthly, which I understand, so it's an intuitive user experience. Apple's is often praised for its user-friendly interfaces and intuitive designs. The Vision Pro might provide a user-friendly experience with a well-designed interface and straightforward navigation, making it easier for professionals to adapt and use a device effectively. So these are the hallmarks of Apple, which is keeping the Apple in market for so long, and they're making their mark in the IT industry, and they're developing their hardwares in such a way that it is more persistent, and it is more attractive, and it's more dynamic. So if we look at the cons of these, what I understand is very pricey. It's gonna be like it's not like the MacBook Pro, or it's like iMac, or iPads, or so Apple high professional grade device often comes with a high price tag. We understand that compared to consumer oriented products. So the Apple Vision Pro proposed price is lies between $3,000 and $499 for now, and it's more expensive than the products, so making it accessible for some users. Limited customization as of now. So Apple devices are known for their closed ecosystem. So Apple devices are very closed ecosystem, that they integrate with each other in a very regular fashion. But if you need to integrate it with other, like Microsoft products or other Google products, it will require integration specialities, or maybe the softwares are very expensive to get into that. So that would be one of the problem, and I think the software developers have to develop new softwares for that, and because it will be a challenge for them as well. This might restrict certain professionals, users who require more flexibility and customization in their workflow. So let's see what happens. It's a predictive analysis, but Apple is gonna think about the solutions as well, because it's gonna because like there are a lot of people who are also following Microsoft and other devices, and they want their integration to different products. So software limitations as of now, as I discussed, that it's going to be software limitations, because Vision Pro operating system will be a different one, and it will give Apple, while Apple software ecosystem extensive and may not provide the same level of professional software application as their platform, right? So this might restrict other platforms. So certain specialized softwares or industry-specific tools may have limited availability of functionality on Apple devices. So that would be one of the problems as well. So hardware limitations as well. So depending on the specific hardware configuration, the Apple Vision Pro might have certain limitations in terms of expandability and connectivity options, or compatibility with external devices as well. So these limitations could affect professionals who rely on specific hardware configuration or peripheral devices. Fifth is basically the battery life. So as it's proposed, is the battery life without power is 2 hours, and if it's connected, it's good for infinite time. But the problem is sometimes you're using Vision Pro where there's no electricity, or where you don't have any connectivity, so you need to have more battery power. So let's see what Apple does about that. And basically there's the challenges too, but this technology is a brand new technology, as far as Google has earlier they tried and they couldn't develop such a system, but they're working on that still. But Apple has promising positive mindset towards its new technology integration, and it is there to keep the market keep in the market as a dominant entity. So let's see what happens, and we're watching for it, and let's hope it's what we think, that our reservations are resolved, and then it will be changing. It will be a new hallmark, a new window towards the IT industry, and it would be great for all of us. So please like and subscribe, and so you'll get the new latest information about new trends. And my name is Syed. See you. Ciao, ciao.